They bring arguments, the cops bring facts. Guess who wins? Here are 5 cases when sovereign citizens think they can outsmart the police. Number 5. Trespassing sovereign citizens push too far at town hall. 2 men identifying as sovereign citizens walk into a town hall with cameras and begin recording without permission. They question employees, assert legal theories that don't hold up, and insist they're there for official business. Here's what happens next.
What's going on today?
I'd like these 2 gentlemen arrested for criminal trespass.
You can't trespass us from public property.
They refused. Okay. Been walking around the building, harassing employees, taking photographs. Categorically refusing to leave the building.
How long were they inside for?
You didn't ask me to leave.
20 minutes after.
That's true. They actually didn't ask him.
No, you didn't. I have it on video, sir. No, you didn't.
Okay.
And plus, this is a public building.
You guys have ID?
We don't need ID.
Sir, hands behind your back under arrest. For what? Trespassing. All right.
What's your name and badge numbers? Sir, what's your name and badge number?
Can I put this somewhere in my pocket or something?
Per
Just
policy,
give me my camera, dude.
per policy, you need to identify yourself.
What do you have on your pocket? Everything? Phone, battery, paperwork, wallet. Oh, lighter. Where's my wallet? They don't take it.
What's that?
Oh,
Yes, sir.
You're coming with them too.
Oh, okay.
The officers remain calm but firm. They explain that the men are being asked to leave, and when they refuse, they're warned that they could be charged with criminal trespass.
That's awesome.
That's all right. I'll sue them.
Well, put your stuff in your car. Separate your feet.
1, 2, 3, 1, 4 steps.
You're right up in there. Oh, yeah. Take my ID out. I'm going to take my ID out of my wallet. Awesome. Didn't even ask me for it. Nah.
For the record, sir, what's your name?
Yeah, they did ID last time.
Sir? Sir, what is your name?
Take your hands out of your pocket.
All right. Sir, what's your name and badge number?
You'll have it before we're all done.
Well, I'm gonna need both of yours.
That's fine.
I want to know what I'm being charged with.
Trespassing.
Trespassing.
You can't trespass me from a public place.
Yes, we can.
No, you cannot.
Well,
I was there. You can check my pocket, that one. You're gonna search it anyway. I was here for a FOIL request. I was here for business.
Need to start another agency to back you up.
Despite their protests, the officers move forward with the arrests, unfazed by the resistance. Number 4. Pulled over with no plates, no license, and a sovereign citizen script. Police pull over a man operating a vehicle with no license, registration, or plates. He immediately becomes uncooperative.
Hello.
How's it going?
It's going all right. How about you?
Hey, it's not because of your tag. You don't have a legal license plate on your vehicle.
Has there been a crime committed?
I know how the spill goes. Do you have your driver's license?
Has there been a crime committed?
Do you have your driver's license?
Can I have your name and badge number,
Do
please?
you have your driver's license?
Do you mind giving me your name and badge number so I know who I'm dealing with, please, sir?
Sir, you need to identify yourself.
I mean, I'm asking for you to identify yourself.
You're identifying yourself, and then we'll talk about mine.
Have I done anything unlawful?
Yes, your license plate.
That's unlawful.
Yes. Hang on, of you step up here. Go ahead and step out for me. Any guns, knives, anything like that on you?
I don't answer any questions.
Hands right here. Spread your arms for it. Spread for it. Spread your feet. No guns, knives, stuff like that?
I don't answer any questions without a lawyer.
All right, let's walk right back here.
What's the reason I'm being under arrest?
Not under arrest.
I mean, if I'm not free to go, then I'm under arrest.
All right. We're going to find out who you are first, okay?
My name is Andrew Albert.
Okay, do you have any ID?
I don't have any ID.
None at all?
No driver's license. No registered tag. This is my property. It's my private property. It's my personal conveyance. And I'm exercising my right to travel.
He says he's not driving, but traveling in his private property, claiming his right to move freely without a license.
I need some ID or some type of identification. Have you ever had a license in Alabama?
I'm not going to answer any questions without an attorney present.
What'd you say your name was?
Andrew Albert. What was your name, please?
Officer Barksdale.
And can I have your badge number and your command?
11090.
And your command?
Command, like officer in charge?
Yes.
Who is our officer in charge today?
So I'd like to know your command.
My
And
command.
why do I have all these privateers surrounding me right now? If there's not been a crime
What's your birthday?
committed, I don't know. I don't have any firsthand knowledge of that.
Of your birthday?
Yeah, were you aware when you were born?
Yes.
You were, so you knew the date when you came out.
I've got the
That's
certificate.
pretty good. That's pretty impressive.
Sir, we're going to have your information.
Has there been a crime committed?
Yes.
What crime has been
First
committed?
of all, you don't have a driver's license. Second of all, you don't have a
So
license plate.
what probable cause did you have to get behind me?
That license plate.
And that's a crime.
Yes.
What were you doing in Helena?
I mean, I'm just traveling.
Okay, who were you traveling with?
I mean, I'm not going to answer any I wasn't traveling with anyone.
There's a female that was with you.
Oh, that was a lady who asked me to pick her up at the library to look at her pressure washing her house.
Now, where was her house?
Plantation Place.
And how did she get your information? Why you?
Why, she's some kind of criminal?
When officers ask for identification, he refuses and flips the script, asking for their badge numbers, names, and even their training manuals.
Well, we're just trying to figure out how you come from nowhere to pick up some lady in a park to look at a pressure washer.
A pressure washing job.
Okay.
And I don't understand how that's a crime.
Stand here, okay.
Well,
You stand here for a second.
your van also matches a burglary suspect.
Really?
Yep.
From where?
From our city.
And from your city?
Yes.
What city is that?
It's Helena.
And what was your name and badge number, please?
My name's Officer Murphy.
And your badge number?
We don't have badge numbers.
He had a badge number, you don't have a badge number. That's
He
pretty
works for
interesting.
Well, he works for the city of
So
Pelham.
what would
I
be
don't
your
work for the
command
city
in
of
this?
Pelham. My command?
Yeah, what is your command?
I don't have a command.
Do you have your training manual in your car?
I'm not required to have my training manual.
But did you go through training? Proper training? Okay, well, it says right in there that you, upon request, have to identify yourself by your name, your badge number, and your command.
Did you go through my training?
I know all about the training,
But you didn't go through my training.
but all training is that way.
All training.
All,
What training did you go through?
I mean, I study law.
Okay, so when you were in
I'm
law
not going to
and
answer any more questions
and
because
that
you have no
training-
probable cause,
and
no
that
crime has
training-
been committed. You're saying I matched some kind of suspect, but you don't have any probable cause or evidence to back up and support your claims. That's pretty interesting, facts. I don't have one. I'm not going to answer any other questions. If I'm not free to go,
Here's the thing, if you lie about the name that you gave us, that's not your full name.
that's my proper name. That's the only legal name that I can go by. Do you understand?
I'm going to tell you this.
And I do not require your services, nor do I wish to join her. Do you understand
if
that?
you don't give the proper name to avoid a warrant, it's a felony.
That is a
Be
proper
arrested.
name. I just gave. So you just said, based on your testimony, if I don't give the proper name, that is my proper name.
Full name.
Full name.
No, you said proper name. So now you're backtracking, going against your own statement.
No, I'm telling you.
No, you're going against your own statement.
Don't give
On and for the record, I do not require your services, nor do I wish to join her.
As the interaction continues, the man leans heavily into Sovereign Citizen talking points.
All right. I've warned you.
Is that a threat?
No, I just gave you full warning.
What is the exact warning?
If that is not your full name, and
I never told you it was my full name. I told you 3 times that's my proper name.
All right, what is your full
now
name?
It's a fact in this case.
Okay. That's obstruction of justice, the using false identity.
That's not a false identity. It's the only legal. 18 U.S.C. 1342.
Right.
Look it up. I guess you don't care about the law, do you?
I do.
Because y'all are all privateers, business license privateer. You're not in your official capacity. You're here in your private capacity right now, trespassing upon me. And that is the facts. It's apparent that y'all don't really know the law. So you got an eyewitness that says that a crime has been committed? Because if so, I require them to come down and point me out, identify me as the person who committed the crime. May I know your name and badge number, please, sir?
Detective Belanca, 11080.
Thank you very much. Do not consent to any illegal search and seizure. I do not require your services, nor do I wish to join or nor contract with you in any way.
Despite his efforts to control the narrative, the officers begin the process of detaining him.
Go ahead and turn around.
I'm being taken against my will.
Will you grab that phone?
Being kidnapped.
He's finally taken into custody after resisting and dodging every illegal question thrown his way. So what's your take? Does the whole traveling, not driving excuse actually hold up? Or is it completely absurd? Number 3. Sovereign Citizen refuses to show ID, ends up in cuffs. A state trooper stops a vehicle and immediately runs into resistance from the driver, who refuses to present a driver's license. Here's what happens next.
You're aware, just so you're aware, you're being visually and audio recorded as well on my dash cam, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so here's the deal. State of Tennessee, you have to have a valid driver's license to operate a motor vehicle.
Okay,
So-
can I get your name and badge number, sir?
My name is Trooper Malone, my badge number is 876.
Say again.
Trooper Malone, badge number 876.
876.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right. No,
what?
I'm not playing playing this game
The
with
law
you.
is the
You can-
law.
Here's what's,
The law is the law. What?
Listen.
What
Listen.
am I being? What crime? What injured party?
You what?
Where's the injured party?
What?
Where's the injured party? Where's the individual?
Sir, you're
What
operating,
am I?
you've committed a traffic violation, and I need your driver's license information. Okay? So here's how this is going to work. You're going to give me the information that I'm requesting from you, or I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle.
For what?
Because you're not giving me the information that I'm requesting. I don't know who you
Constitution
are.
says I does not have to. If
The
I have not,
Constitution-
the Constitution says if I have not been suspected of a crime or did bodily harm to anybody, I have no right to show you my identification. Because I'm not going to show you my identification. Why? Because I know that's not me.
What? None of that makes sense. All right, here's the deal.
I know
Give
that's not me.
Give me your identification, or I'm going to have you step out of the vehicle.
Step out for what? Call your supervisor out here.
I don't have a supervisor that's on duty right now.
Well, you got to call somebody.
I've got other units on the way, but
Constitution says if I have not committed a crime.
As the encounter continues, the trooper reportedly asks for ID and warns the driver that he'll be asked to step out of the vehicle if he refuses.
You know the routine.
give me the information that I'm requesting, or am I gonna have to pull you out of the vehicle?
Pull me out for what?
Because you're not giving me the information.
Are you honoring your
listen.
Are you honoring your
No.
constitutional oath today?
Listen.
So you just gonna open my
Yep, I sure
conveyance?
am.
You just gonna open my conveyance?
Or am I gonna have to pull you out?
So you just gonna open my conveyance?
Affirmative.
Are you just gonna open my conveyance?
Are you
Without
gonna
my,
give me the
I do not
information?
consent.
You don't consent?
I do not. Why did you open my door? Why did you
Because
open my
you're
door? This
not-
is my conveyance.
It doesn't matter.
This is my private property. Why did you open my door?
Are you gonna give me the information, or am I gonna have to pull you out?
The Constitution says
Go ahead and
I
step out of
don't
the
have
vehicle.
to give you that.
Step out of the vehicle.
For what?
Because I'm telling you to.
Because
And I have the
so
right
you
to
giving
tell
me
you to step out of the
orders?
vehicle. Yes.
So you giving me
Step
orders?
out of the vehicle, or I'm gonna pull you out of the vehicle.
So you gonna
It's that
so you
freaking
gonna manhandle me?
Yeah, I will.
You gonna put your hands on me?
It
I do
doesn't
not
have to
consent for
be
you to
that
touch
way.
me, man. I don't
doesn't
consent.
have-
I don't consent for you to touch me.
It doesn't matter. I'm telling
What
you.
crime
to
am I being suspected
Step
of?
out of the vehicle.
What crime am I being? Call your supervisor, man.
Step out of the vehicle. or I'm
Call
gonna pull
your
you out.
supervisor out here.
Step out of the vehicle.
Why? If
Do
you
not-
touch me again, I'm charging you $3,500 if you touch
okay.
me.
Pull out. Get out of the
Why
vehicle.
are you
Get out of
pulling
the
me?
vehicle. Get out of the vehicle.
Why are you pulling me? You see this? You see this?
Get out of the vehicle.
All this.
Put your hands on your back.
For what?
Put your hands on your back.
Y'all see this? Don't touch
your
my
hands on
phone.
your back.
Don't touch my phone.
I'm 27. Tell them to step it up.
You ain't gotta do all that. I'm not resisting, man. Come on, man, my cigarette on my back.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. The cigarette on my back, bro. I just told you that. The cigarette burning me, man.
Well, put it out.
You know you violating your oath, right? Come on, man. You gotta break my arm, bro. I'm not resisting, sir.
The driver is arrested for failing to identify, resisting commands, and refusing to comply with lawful orders. Number 2. Sovereign citizen tries to outsmart cops. Doesn't work. A man gets pulled over in Texas for not having a front license plate. When officers approach, he launches into the classic sovereign citizen claim, insisting he's a traveler, not a driver.
Close the door. Got your license?
Yeah, how you doing?
Got your insurance?
Yeah.
Hold on, what are you doing? Where is it? Yeah, give me your license out of your wallet there.
Well, I need to read this,
Okay.
and that you're gonna violate my right to travel. All my information on. You can read my plate. You're welcome to. You'll realize that I've addressed this before.
This is the supervisor. You know who's our supervisor? He's a right to travel.
Okay. 54. You go ahead and give me a supervisor's one.
You have a driver's license?
Sir, I'm gonna have to. I have all my information on that sheet right there.
Well, I need a photo ID here in the state of Texas in order to identify you. I've stopped you for a moving violation. It's legal to do. You have no front license plate.
Okay, I'm not a driver, I'm a traveler.
Okay,
As a traveler.
Mr. Richardson.
Yes, sir.
How you doing? We're not here to discuss the politics of what you believe and don't believe in.
Sure.
We respect that view. But you've got to understand that for the most part, all motorists are required to have a driver's license and show proof of insurance while traveling the state of Texas. All right? We've got a supervisor en route.
254. We're at Galloway and Childress Farms Bridge at the Stop and Shop gas station.
A step further, okay?
We don't
Just-
have to.
All right, well, just remain in your seat here. We'll be right back with you.
Get out of the gym.
The man refuses to sign the ticket. A supervisor arrives on scene, anticipating that this might happen.
Pulled him over coming up Childress for no front license plate. He's got no bumper, no front license plate.
Okay.
So I turned around on him and he was hauling up here.
Okay.
So he pulls in here, opens up his wallet. He's got a DL in there. Gets all shaky. Won't give it to me. Presents me with this.
Oh yeah.
Right to travel.
Yeah,
so
that means nothing to us.
He's got histories for 55, 10, 11. His last arrest was 2016 out of Rockwall for DWLI.
Okay.
So they're obviously, this isn't the first time.
Yeah.
So that'll enhance if he won't sign it.
Okay. So he's refused to sign the ticket?
I haven't presented it to him yet. I was gonna.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he can sign it, or we'll place him under arrest. Is that where we are with each other?
Yeah. We just wanted you to come out.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we
be here because usually they want a supervisor.
Yeah, I get it.
If I gotta break his window to get him out.
All that goes with it.
So.
Yeah, let's see if he'll sign it, and we'll go from there.
Mr. Richardson.
Yes.
I have a citation.
Are you gonna?
For no front license plate and driving while your license is invalid.
I have that already adjudicated.
Another notation.
I have that already adjudicated with the license.
Let's say he's not signing it. You decided to take it or go to
You
jail.
still have no front license plate.
Okay.
Your choice.
But I'm just saying that.
I don't want to read it.
This is about the ticket.
I don't care.
It's not an admission of guilt, simply an agreement that you contact our court within 12 business days. Down at the bottom, on the signature line.
The supervisor walks the man through what the ticket means, that it's not an admission of guilt, but simply an agreement to contact the court.
You come down to court, you can bring those documents, and if it's valid, then let the judge deal with it.
Spelled duress wrong.
Oh, just let me spell it correct.
How do you spell it?
D-U-R-E-S-S.
Wrong. If you're going to be confrontational, you need to spell it right, okay? Illiterate does not count, okay? Now, be sure to put your seatbelt on. Be sure to obey all the Texas rules. You may not think the rules, but guess what? They are. And if you don't, if you get out of here and we see you make a violation, we're going to pull you over and we're going to take you to jail. Do you understand those constitutional rights?
Yes, sir.
Good. Because you do have a criminal history. And should you wish to take this to court, everything I said to you is being recorded and photographed right now.
Your badge number is?
You've got it, 382. Yeah. I could hand you a piece of paper telling you I don't want to give it to you, but that's not how we operate. You want to operate outside the rules, but you don't want everybody else to.
Sir, I saw it.
Yeah.
You said your badge number was?
You got it. I already told you. Now, if you want to redo it, ask for open information. Okay? Put your seatbelt on. When's the last time you were arrested?
I don't recall.
Oh, really? Convenient, considering it wasn't that long ago.
This is going to cost you somewhere in around over $1,000 because you've already had a DWLI before. Okay?
They make it clear that laws apply to everyone, regardless of personal beliefs about citizenship or jurisdiction.
It's still not valid, so I don't know how you're going to get off this parking lot without violating the law.
Oh, so if I leave the parking lot, you're going to arrest me?
It's prima facie evidence, okay? We have a problem there, don't we? See how the laws work? For and against you? So you can take your feet and go on down the road. That's not illegal, as long as you obey all the pedestrian laws. Now, you might want to crack those law books and let me know what that's all about, okay? The piece of paper you gave me, I'm keeping because it's invalid. You gotta sign the bottom of the document and date it to make it anything valid. You should have read up on that, okay? Go back to your law library and check that out. What I think happened is last time you were arrested for DWI is you got yourself a jailhouse lawyer in there next to you saying, hey, here's what you need to do to mess with the police, okay? Well, guess what? I've been doing this 33 years. I don't care, all right? Now, listen closely. Do not leave the parking lot driving their vehicle. It's illegal, okay? Look at me. Do you understand me?
I do.
Good. I want to see those eyes. I want to make sure you understand. Because I'm not thinking everything's all there. The earth is round. Give me his receipt. Yeah. Where are you going? You got any money? I don't know if they take that American currency.
You don't think so?
I don't know. They may not, because it may not be constitutional. It might not, that's an American document you got there.
Are you saying that they're not constitutional?
I'm not sure.
You don't know?
You never know who you're gonna. Maybe a crazy person there. You might get a hold.
Despite the man's claims and legal-sounding arguments, the officers stay professional.
Good luck to you.
Likewise.
Are we good? All right, we're good. We good?
Yeah,
Okay.
good talk.
Go on.
See you soon.
No, you won't.
I hope not. Okay. Put your shirt on. It's a health code violation if you don't.
Not outside.
I know the law.
Outside it's fine.
Don't everybody have a sign. It doesn't say shoot yourself in the head either on there, does it? There's no sign for that, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that what you're saying?
What are you saying?
The encounter ends without an arrest, but with firm warnings and citations issued. Number 1. Expired tags, fake legal advice, and a very patient deputy. A man gets pulled over in a Walmart parking lot by a sheriff's deputy for having expired registration tags. From the start, the man challenges the legality of the stop.
Sir?
Yes.
Okay. What is going on? Okay, just so you know, I stopped because your tags are expired.
Did I injure somebody or cause any damage?
No, your registration tags are expired?
I'm not operating in commerce, sir.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
I don't, what is the purpose of this stop?
Your registration tags expired in August of 13.
Do you understand that I'm not operating in commerce right now?
I don't care.
Actually, you should care because it's a constitutional right that I have to travel freely without being stopped for a statutory infraction that you do not have. Am I free to go?
No. I need your license, registration, and insurance.
Are you holding me against my will?
No. I'm not holding you against your will. What I'm doing is I stopped you for a traffic violation, and I need your license, registration, and insurance.
The officer stays composed, calmly stating that the stop is lawful and reminding the driver that refusing to provide ID is an arrestable offense.
I have
No, code word.
Can I have your identification, please, sir?
My name is Deputy Ainsworth, as is on my uniform. I'm with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office. Okay? I need your license and registration. If you don't provide it, you will be under arrest for failure to provide proof of your license. All right?
You're going to arrest me?
If you don't provide your proof.
Are you threatening to arrest me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay?
So
I need your license. If you don't want to provide that, I will arrest you for fail to provide your license.
I have to assume that I'm under arrest right now because I'm not free to leave.
Okay.
I am evoking my right against self-incrimination, and I will not be providing you with any documents that can be used against me to incriminate myself. Do you want to violate my right of self-incrimination to not be, because that's what you're doing, sir.
Okay. I have a legal right to stop you because your registration is expired. You are required by law to provide me with some form of identification. Okay? If you do not do that, you will be under arrest.
But the man holds his ground, calling someone he refers to as his counsel and doubling down on sovereign citizen talking points.
I have right to legal counsel.
Not at this point, okay?
Yes, I do have right to legal counsel, okay, sir. You can't take my rights away.
If you don't want to obey the law right now,
I am obeying the law.
Speak with your attorney in jail, okay?
You're threatening to kidnap me and put me in jail? Do you have a signed warrant to take me to jail? Where's my due process, sir? Do you not need a signed warrant from a judge to arrest me?
No, I'm not sure where you're from, but I do not, okay?
I will hold you under full commercial liability and your bond in a criminal matter should you proceed with this stop any further, sir.
Are you going to cooperate or not?
Sir, with all due respect, I mean you no harm. I mean you no. There will be no violence. Please, God's peace be with you.
Okay.
Can we get a supervisor here, sir?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Speak with your supervisor.
He then calls his so-called counsel for advice and even puts the call on speaker so the officer can hear.
Yes, hey Gene, this is Gary. See, I'm in the Walmart parking lot. Are you law enforcement or are you peace officer?
51 copy.
Are you safety officer or are you law enforcement?
I am law enforcement. I am from the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
I have someone from law enforcement performing a traffic stop. He's threatened to arrest me if I don't show him a driver's license, registration, and insurance. The reason for the stop is expired registration tag?
Yes.
Then the state has no more authority over the vehicle if the registration is not current. You're aware of this, right? What you're trying to do? Are you aware of the law?
I'm pretty familiar with the law, yes.
Pretty familiar with the law. Well, this is going to go a lot further than pretty familiar, so please be cautious in what you do, that you don't violate my rights in trying to enforce statute. So where are we at, Gene?
But despite all the back and forth, the officer doesn't budge.
Private travel and communication is not required to be timed and registered, so it wouldn't have to have any tabs on it.
This is my contention, sir.
I can't hear him. I'm not going to chat with him. I'm talking to you. Okay?
Yeah. And the thing to do there probably is just jot down some notes, get the officer's name and badge number, and make sure that you get all that information so that he can be sued in his private capacity for exceeding his authority and jurisdiction.
Correct.
His authority and jurisdiction is set out very clearly in 153, 39, and 83. So when he exceeds that authority and he has to live that you are an employee working for some corporation and engaged in trafficking on the highway. So right there in itself, he's made an illegal stop.
Yeah.
So he's detained you in your liberty of travel, and he doesn't have a valid probable cause to do that simply because he sees a vehicle that has a license on that's expired. Without determining the use that the vehicle is being put to, that may or may not be required to be timed and registered. That changes with every new vehicle owner.
Right.
Just get some notes and
Sir,
see what he wants to do.
can you hang up the phone, please?
No, I'm with my counsel now. Please don't try to deprive me of counsel, sir. Please.
The deputy patiently reiterates the basics. Any vehicle on public roads must be registered, and drivers must identify themselves.
I've been very patient with you.
You have,
Okay?
sir.
I have a legal right to stop you. Like I said, you are required to provide your license, okay, or proof of identification. Okay, if you're refusing to do that, you will be under arrest, okay?
He will be arresting me should I not provide him with this information.
Well, he wants you to identify yourself, and this is his authority. He's claiming his authority for that is his power under the vehicle code. And as I say, document everything they say, and have him write it down, because even at a traffic stop, he's not authorized to compel you to identify yourself, and that's Delaware versus Prowse. So he's alleging that you're engaged in trafficking, so he has a right to demand a driver's license. This is exactly what they do in this Ponzi scheme called the driver's licensing scheme.
Okay. Okay.
Just get his information, see what he wants to do here. You gotta impound your vehicle and tow it.
Hey, sir.
It's on private
Okay.
property.
So, I've asked you several times to please cooperate. All right. As stated,
I'm cooperating as best I can with it.
My name is Deputy Ainsworth. I am with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
Gene, I'll get back
I
to you.
am in uniform, displaying a badge. All right. I stopped you because your registration tags are expired. You are required by law to provide me with proof of identification. If you cannot do that, you will be under arrest for failing to do so. Do you understand?
Despite the man's efforts to frame the stop as unconstitutional, the officer proceeds within legal bounds and ultimately detains him without escalation.
No, I don't understand.
You need to step out of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle. You are
I
under
do
arrest.
not feel safe, sir. Please don't.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please,
You are under
sir.
arrest. Sir, step out.
Wait.
Don't step out of the vehicle.
Away, please. Please,
Do
you're
not
harming
pull
me.
away from me.
Please. Please. You're.
Don't pull. Relax your arms. Relax your arms.
They are as relaxed as I can be. You're holding them up and hurting my shoulder. I have injuries. Please, sir, do not hurt me further.
We're not. Stop resisting. Cooperate. That's all we're asking.
Well, my cooperation, please understand that I realize it'd be easier if I just produced this. However,
Turns out, no amount of buzzwords or legal jargon can stop a pair of handcuffs. Let us know what you think of these sovereign citizens.